welcome to Little Wren Cooking. I'm going to be decorating some of our Rice Krispie Treats that we made earlier. I'm going to get a little bit of white chocolate, and using our hands we're going to press down on the knife a little bit. Just chop your white chocolate up nice and small. You can use dark chocolate or normal milk chocolate. Then pop it in a bowl that is completely moisture free, because any moisture will destroy your chocolate when you're melting it. And then melt it on bursts of 20 seconds and stir. I've done this little bit on 3 lots of 20 seconds. So you'll still see some lumps, but as you stir it around, that will melt in with it. Once you've microwaved chocolate too much, it burns, and there's pretty much nothing that you can really do with it then. So just keep that stirring in there. Again, this is a really quick, just simple tip. So here's the Rice Krispie Treats. Slide them off. They're still a bit sticky. Get a serrated knife, press down, trim one edge, keeping our fingers very clear of it. I'm just going to do a couple for now. This is actually a really good stage that you could shape these if you wanted to. So just with damp hands better, and roll them onto like little balls. Actually, I'll show you this one with a ball. Stick, poke in, reshape if necessary, hold it over the bowl. You can either dip or drizzle, but I'm just going to drizzle with these. This is what you might call a rustic way of doing it. Then, great tip for if you're doing this with little hands, you will normally end up with sprinkles everywhere if you're not careful, so just tip a few into the bowl, lid back on, otherwise they go all over the floor. Get your stick, hold it low, and just scatter. Little tap. That's what that looks like. A mess, but you know what? If a 6-year-old did that, I'd be really chuffed. And then if you've got a baking cooling rack, you can pop it on your cooling rack to set. My sticks are a bit long. You could even cut your sticks in half a bit. So I've got a strip here. Chop. You can make really cool monster faces out of these. I'll do a quick monster face. Oh my gosh, this is don't rush in the kitchen. Very important not to try to rush, especially when you're working with kids. So I think my Rice Krispie Treats might be a bit too warm still, so they're falling apart a little bit. A little bit of maybe some hair on the top. Just going to dip that in. Sprinkle hair on top. And then I have a box of Smarties. I'm going to give it some pink eyes. Little drizzles of chocolate. Drizzles of chocolate. Pink eyes. 1, 2. And if it holds together, set that in the fridge, and you've got a wonky-eyed sprinkle head monster. Enjoy.